Hi guys, it's Carmi with DiMaria Duo. And today I want to talk to you about the evolution of the water bottle. So let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Starting with our original water bottles that are made of plastic. Then we got into the aluminum, and then the double walled, and then the double walled with lids, and so on and so forth. And finally, it ends with this. This is the Python generator. Our friends over at Python sent this over. They know the DiMaria Duo is huge water drinkers and vessel collectors as well. This is the ultimate of all of them. This is our hydrogen generator with alkaline bionic water by the time we're done with it. This very cool device they sent over to us to test out. The directions are very clear cut, okay? You have to make sure that you follow the directions or you will not get the hydrogen boosting, energy lifting power of this water. So here are the directions, make sure you follow them. It comes with a direction booklet as well. It also comes with the cord and the plug for the charger. And this alkaline bionic water, you turn on, it takes 5 minutes. This is chargeable and rechargeable with the cord, of course. It takes 5 minutes and it will just do this for 5 minutes. And also it's a really good opportunity for you as the person who's going to get to enjoy this alkaline bionic water, to take 5 minutes off and just relax and look at the changing colors. Because it is peaceful, it's relaxing, it helps to calm your eyes and soothe your eyes as well. The water itself tastes delicious. I've enjoyed it personally. It tastes a lot more lighter, it tastes rich, it tastes delicious. I've noticed more energy myself. I've been drinking a lot more water as well. I feel like I'm enjoying the water more, so therefore I'm drinking it more. So if you are looking to step up your water game to the ultimate level, check out the Python hydrogen generator water bottle because this is the future of water.